That agent with 1 million followers, here's the cringy reason they may not actually be able to sell your house. It's so tempting. You see that huge follower count and you think, more eyes, faster sale. But they're experts at marketing themselves, not necessarily your home. Their audience is usually other agents and fans, unemployed couch surfers who can't afford your home, not local buyers. Here's the part that can actually cost you. Their business is creating content. While they're filming the next video, who's negotiating for you? Who's managing that complex details of the sale? Often their focus is on their brand, not protecting your nest egg. The best agent isn't the most famous. It's the one that's most focused on you. What's more important than an agent? Followers or focus?